Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Here we are again, everyone. It's a nice week 23. It's not crazy this week. That's good. Last week was a review week. Yep, there was a lot to do. We had to try and see how much you could remember. You did a great job. This time we have another new sound. Great! Yes! Hooray! Wonderful! What is the sound? We have had a lot of strange sounds over the last few weeks. Yep, some of them were very strange. Do you remember QU makes qu and A and R make R? Not this time. No, it's not a strange sound. It's easy. That gives you a big clue about the sound. Yeah. Can you guess what our sound will be this week? It's easy. It's the big E. It is another sound that we can make in two different ways. EA make E. Great. And EE make E. Okay. So EA and EE both make a really big, strong E sound. Some words? Lots and lots of words use the big E sound. Oh, don't worry. I think most of them are quite easy. Easy. We can't look at them all because there are so many. We will look at 8. 8 is a good number. Yes. More than 8, and then it's difficult to remember them all. So 8 is great. Some today? Okay, just 2 today. Let's have a look at an EA word. Right, that's very nice. Let's try and break it down. We've got beach, beach, beach. The beach is next to the sea. We've got 2 there, beach and sea. Great. Well, that one was a bonus. Let's have a look at an EE word. Whoa, what are they? Let's break it down. Teeth. Teeth. They look a bit scary just floating there on their own, don't they? Teeth. 2 great words there. More than words? Well, I think so. Of course. The other thing this week is really easy. Well, that sounds good. Hooray! But you have to wait to find out what it is. Oh, don't cry. You know it's not going to be long. So, we will see you next time. we will have a great week. Oh my word, he's a new friend. We've not seen him before. Scary? Funny? Oh, I don't know. He looks friendly. Talking about friends, we know what our last two friends are here to say. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.